goes to Kiama. First stop, Redfern, then Helensburgh, then all stations to Thurrool, then North Wollongong, then all stations to Oak Flats, then Shell Harbour Junction, Minnabara, Bombo, and Kiama.
Did we just get on this? Suburban. This is the cool thing. A Suburban. That's our first time ever being on a Suburban, eh, Oscar? My first time ever being on a Suburban. Really have a Suburban, Oscar. When is this gonna be? Now?
10:29 Kiama service on platform 25 customers.
Oh, it's gone.
It's now due to depart. Safety customers must remain behind the yellow line.
Look, it's going
Train
now.
is
Look,
now
look,
due to
look.
depart. It's departing. Do not run towards the closing door.
A guy just ran to close the door. And I got that on camera. And you showed the train person. You, buddy.